Hello friends. Welcome to the part 1 of 500 questions on Rajasthan GK. Please like and subscribe the YouTube channel of Rachna Classes for more updates. What is the area of Rajasthan? The correct answer is 3,42,239 square kilometer. The Luni River emerges from. The correct answer is Luni River emerges from the Nag Hills. Which city in Rajasthan was called the Island of Glory by C.B. Raman? The correct answer is Jaipur. Rajasthan Agriculture University, established in 1987, is located in. The correct answer is Bikaner. The circumference of Rajasthan is. The correct answer is 5,920 km. Who wrote Bisoldeo Raso? The correct answer is Narpati Mala. Who among the following was known as the Gandhi of Rajasthan? The correct answer is Gokul Bhai Bhatt. Which tree is known as Shami tree? The correct answer is Khejadi. Which among the following districts of the state are well known for the manufacturing of Merino khadi wool? The correct answer is Bikaner, Jaisalmer and Jodhpur. Which among the following crops has increased percentage area during the planning period? The correct answer is oilseed. Intensive agriculture means. The correct answer is to get more production from available area. In the Battle of Haldi Ghati, the aim of Mughal was not completed because. The correct answer is all the above are correct as Maharana Pratap did not accept subordination. Maharana Pratap could not be arrested. Maharana Pratap again ruled over some part of Mewar. Which ruler divided Banswara and Dungarpur in 1530? The correct answer is Rawal Uday Singh. Which was the troublesome capital of Mewar? The correct answer is Chawand. Who was the founder of Jat state in Bharatpur? The correct answer is Badan Singh. The architect who was related with the construction of Jaipur. The correct answer is Vidyadhar. The main reason of alliance with Britishers by rulers was. The correct answer is rulers were afraid of losing their feudatory. The last state which made the alliance to Britishers was. The correct answer is Siroi. Which chieftain was handed over the area of Tonk estate in 1817? The correct answer is Sardar Amir Khan. In which year efforts were made to start English education in Rajasthan? The correct answer is 1819. In 1844, which estate of Rajasthan declared Sati Pratha as illegal? The correct answer is Jaipur. Which revolutionary of Rajasthan had a major role in throwing the bomb on Lord Hardinge in Delhi? The correct answer is Pratap Singh Bahat. Where the headquarters of Northwestern Railway is. The correct answer is Jaipur. Why the tribal people of Rajasthan are found in the hilly forested areas. The correct answer is here the forest production on which they depend is found. Where is the divisional headquarters of Indira Gandhi Canal is? The correct answer is Jaipur. Which among the following four districts have reserves of copper in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Alwar, Jhunjhunu, Sirui and Dungarpur. Two other minerals found along with copper are. The correct answer is sulfur and gold. Tungsten reserve in Rajasthan are found at. The correct answer is Digana. In which district of Rajasthan, maximum quantity of wheat is produced? The correct answer is Sri Ganganagar. In which type of soil, bajra is produced in maximum quantity? The correct answer is sandy soil. Among the cereal crops in Rajasthan, which cereal is produced in maximum quantity? The correct answer is bajra. In which type of soil groundnut is produced in maximum quantity? The correct answer is light sandy soil. In Rajasthan, which is the main cereal of Rabi season? The correct answer is wheat. What are the names of the canals emerging from Indira Gandhi Canal 0 point? The correct answer is Birbal, Lilwa, Sagarmal, Gopa. In which of the following states the length of Indira Gandhi feeder is maximum? The correct answer is Punjab. In which part of Rajasthan, Godawan bird is found? The correct answer is Western Desert. Through which pass in Rajasthan, the deserted area is increasing in eastern Rajasthan and Haryana state? The correct answer is Sambhar Gap. Ghotaru Place, where natural gas reserves are found, is in which district of the state? The correct answer is Jaisalmer. Udaipur was established by Uday Singh in. The correct answer is 1559. Where is the headquarters of RIACO? The correct answer is Jaipur. Who made the digging of Kalibanga? The correct answer is B.B. Lal. The Mosque of Alauddin is at. The correct answer is Jalore. Where the nuclear energy station is situated in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Rawat Bhata. Which breed of camel is best among the following? The correct answer is Nachna. In Rajasthan, central government owned factory is. The correct answer is Hindustan Zinc Limited, Udaipur. Which among the following rulers did not fought with Mughals? The correct answer is Rana Kumbha. Who was the leader of Mughals army during the Battle of Haldi Ghati? The correct answer is Man Singh. Sajjan Kirti Sudharak, the first fortnightly paper of Rajasthan, was published. The correct answer is Udaipur. What was the name of the main freedom fighter of Jaipur? The correct answer is Tika Ram Paliwal. Who among the following was against the coronation ceremony of Edward VII at Shahpur in 1903? The correct answer is Keshari Singh Bahat. Who convened Hurda Conference? The correct answer is ruler of Jaipur and Udaipur. Prior to integration of Rajasthan, Sri Ganga Nagar was the part of. The correct answer is Bikaner. Which state was merged to Rajasthan Sangh to give the name of United Rajasthan? The correct answer is Mewar. The capital of Matsya Sangh was. The correct answer is Alwar. Jhari. Ornament is put on. The correct answer is face. To which game Raja Harut Singh is related? The correct answer is polo. The player who won the first Arjun Award in Rajasthan is. The correct answer is Karan Singh. State bird of Rajasthan is. The correct answer is Godawan. From where the radio broadcasting was started in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Jodhpur. The district related with Sanganeri print is. The correct answer is Jaipur. To which Kotaru and Marihari are related? The correct answer is mineral oil. District with maximum run area is. The correct answer is Jaisalmer. From geological point of view, deserted area of Rajasthan is the part of oldest landmass. The correct answer is Thetis Sea. Ghurmeshwar fair is organized at. The correct answer is Savai Madhopur. Where is the white cement producing factory in the state? The correct answer is Gorton. When the private sector Mewar sugar mill was established? The correct answer is 1932. Where the Rajasthan State Chemical, Sodium Sulfate, factory is? The correct answer is Didwana. The JK tires are manufactured at. The correct answer is Kakroli. Where the quartz is found in large quantity? The correct answer is Ajmer. How much percentage of country's mica is produced by the state? The correct answer is 22%. Who established Karoli? The correct answer is Arjun Dev. Who was the founder of Jahazpur Nagar? The correct answer is Janmejai. In 967 AD, which state was established by Gholrai? The correct answer is Amer. During the regime of Raja Jethra Singh of Mewar, which Sultan of Delhi attacked but the Turk army was forced to return? The correct answer is Iltutmish. Who murdered Maharana Kumbha? The correct answer is Uday Singh first murdered Maharana Kumbha. From which dam Indira Gandhi Canal project gets water? The correct answer is Harik Dam. To check the soil erosion as well as climatic point of view, in which categories the forest has been classified? The correct answer is reserve forest. For protection of forests, who is the Amar Sahid, woman of Rajasthan? The correct answer is Amrita Devi. The Rashtriya Maru Udyan is located in which of the following districts? The correct answer is Jaisalmer and Barmer. In Rajasthan, Gia Patthar is maximum produced at? The correct answer is Udaipur. Uranium, the atomic mineral, is found in which of the following districts of Rajasthan? The correct answer is Dungarpur. Where the reserves of iron ore is found in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Jaipur Udaipur. Where the maximum wheat is produced in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Sri Ganganagar. Which gharana is famous for Dhurpat singing? The correct answer is Gwalior Gharana. As per area, Rajasthan ranks in India. The correct answer is first. Battle of Samel, 1544, was fought between? The correct answer is Sher Shah and Maldev. Where the Bidi manufacturing factory is situated in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Tonk. To which system Roop Kanwar case is associated? The correct answer is Sati system. In which of the following districts Taragad range of Aravalli is situated? The correct answer is Ajmer. The excavations of Ahar civilization were carried out in the year. The correct answer is 1956. Aryan civilization developed and flourished in Rajasthan. This is proved by the utensils found in excavations carried out of which at? The correct answer is Anupgarh and Tarkhanwala Dera. The capital of Madhyadesh during the Maurya period was at. The correct answer is Viratnagar. The Badli Stupa is related to which of the following religious sect? The correct answer is Jainism. Which Mauryan ruler laid the foundation of Chittorgarh? The correct answer is Chitragadh. Name the rulers of Vardhana dynasty who had maximum part of Rajasthan in his empire and ruled till 643 AD. The correct answer is Harshvardhan. Who amongst the following ascended the throne of Mewar in 1509 AD and was popularly known as Rana Sanga? The correct answer is Sangram Singh. The main ruler of Chauhans, Vasudev strengthened which of the following states near 551 AD? The correct answer is Sambhar. Who was most efficient administrator in Kuchwaha dynasty who became ruler of Amer in 1547? The correct answer is Bharmal. The excavation work of Ahar civilization at Udaipur was done under the direction of. The correct answer is Ramanlal Agrawal. The ruling period of Prithviraj III was. The correct answer is 1178 to 1192. Maharana Pratap died in. The correct answer is 1597. Durgadas Rathore protected a king named. The correct answer is Ajit Singh. Who was the founder of Kota state? The correct answer is Modhu Singh. Alauddin attacked Ranthambore in the year. The correct answer is 1303. The Battle of Haldighati was fought in the year. The correct answer is 1576. Mewar became independent during the period of Muhammad bin Tughlaq in the year. The correct answer is 1326. Who became the ruler of Mewar in the year of 1509? The correct answer is Rana Sangram Singh. Who used the word Shekhawati for the first time in the year 1803? The correct answer is W.N. Norden. Which among the following is a wrong statement about Bhumit Bhil movement? The answer is Bhumit Bhil was its leader. Bijolia village, a village of Bhilwara district, was famous for. The correct answer is it is famous for Kisan movement. In which district of Rajasthan, Panchpatra Lake is situated? The correct answer is Barmer. The writer of Rajasthani language dictionary is. The correct answer is Sita Ram Lalas. Potikhana, archives and library is at which place? The correct answer is Jaipur. Who was the profounder of Vishnoi sect? The correct answer is Jambhaji. Gogamedi Fair is organized in which tahsil of district Hanumangarh? The correct answer is Nohar. Which is the main cereals of Rabi crop in Rajasthan? The correct answer is wheat. Visitors of which fair are called Jareen? The correct answer is Urs Fair. The drum dance, or dhol dance, is famous of which district in the state? The correct answer is Jalore. At the time of Independence Day, the 15th of August 1947, the ruler of Bikaner was? The correct answer is Sardul Singh. The Jalawar and Tonk were known by which name? The correct answer is Malav Desh. Which among the following state was under the subordination of Muslim ruler? The correct answer is Tonk. The person who gave the slogan of Inqilab Zindabad. The correct answer is Muhammad Iqbal. By whose efforts Marwar Seva Sangh was established? The correct answer is Chandmal Surana. Who established Vanasthali Vidyapith? The correct answer is Hira Lal Shastri. In which jail Pratap Singh Bahat was kept? The correct answer is Bareilly Jail. Where the Jan Bhandar Art Museum is situated? The correct answer is Jaisalmer. Govind Devji Temple is at? The correct answer is Jaipur. Kapil Muni Fair is held at? The correct answer is Kolaya. Mallinat is related with which of the following places? The correct answer is Tilwara. Who is the author of Rao Jetsiro Chand? The correct answer is Sujaji. Snake catching is the profession of which tribe? The correct answer is Kalbalia. Which dam is being constructed at Chulia waterfall on Chambal River? The correct answer is Rana Pratap Sagar. Which is the main river flowing to Sambhar Lake in district Jaipur? The correct answer is Meeder. Which is the biggest fair of Rajasthan? The correct answer is Pushkar Fair. On the 26th of January 1950, which among the following was included in Greater Rajasthan? The correct answer is Siroi. Which one among the following persons get credit to integrate Rajasthan? The correct answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who among the following persons returned the honor of Rai Bahadur conferred by Britishers? The correct answer is Jamna Lal Bajaj. Who was the founder of Upamal Panch Board organization during the agriculturists movement? The correct answer is Vijay Singh Pathik. Main land in the state for cloth painting is. The correct answer is Nathdwara. Where the famous Bhatna fort is. The correct answer is Hanumangarh. Kesaripattan Cooperative Sugar Mill was established in. The correct answer is 1970. The aim of SpinFed is. The correct answer is to cooperate cotton producers. Which one of the following institutions make an arrangement for the sale of farmers' crop at state level? The correct answer is Raj Feed. What is TILM Association? The correct answer is Cooperative Undertaking. The main object of Integrated Rural Development Program is. The correct answer is to provide employment to the BPL families living in rural areas. Jeevan Dhara program in India is related with. The correct answer is to construct irrigated wells. What is TRYSEM project? The correct answer is to encourage for the self-employment after training to rural youth. George Pearson firstly used the Rajasthani language words in the volume of its language series in year. The correct answer is 1912. During the medieval period, the script of Rajasthani was. The correct answer is Nagri. Chari dance is a dance of which of the following tribe? The correct answer is Gurjars. In 503 AD, which Hun ruler captured Rajasthan from Gupta emperors and established their rule? The correct answer is Tomar. By which name the period was known from 7th century to 12th century? The correct answer is Rajput period. In November 1817, the emperors of Rajasthan had started a friendly alliance with East India Company. Up to which time except Siroi all the estates were under the control of East India Company. The correct answer is 1818. In 1903, at Shahpura who had opposed the throne accession of Edward VII? The correct answer is Barahat Keshri Singh. Which scholar considered Rajput to have arrived from Central Asia? The correct answer is Todenbrook. Where was the first revolutionary incident took place regarding the Quit India movement? The correct answer is Jodhpur. In 1817, which ruler of Rajasthan estate was the first sufferer of dependent separation policy of Hastings? The correct answer is Karoli. Women beauty is the characteristics of which style? The correct answer is Kishangarh style. Who encouraged the Swadeshi movement in Ajmer? The correct answer is Shyamji Krishan Verma. Who made the construction of Hawa Mahal? The correct answer is Savai Pratap Singh. Taragad was constructed by. The correct answer is Aji Dev. Whose statue has been established in Tejpal Temple in Abu? The correct answer is Nemi Natji. Why? The Patuki Hiveli is famous in Jaisalmer. The correct answer is due to lattice work in stone. At present, the famous place for stone statue is. The correct answer is Udaipur. Nagri Das is related to. The correct answer is Kishangarh Shelly. Who is the profounder of architecture in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Rana Kumbha. First narrative epic of Jain literature is Bhateshwar Bahubali Ras, who is its composer. The correct answer is Brij Sen Suri. The Jagat Shiromani temple is in Amer, and the Ranchorji temple is in. The correct answer is Jodhpur. Ancient Gharana of Kathak Shelly dances. The correct answer is Jaipur. When Matsya Sangh was merged with Rajasthan. The correct answer is the 15th of May 1949. Which ruler of Kota was nominated Raj Pramukh at the time of formation of United Rajasthan? The correct answer is Manak Lal Verma. Where the marble statues are made in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Jaipur. With the help of which country the Potidhar study centers have opened in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Japan. Rajasthan is the first state in the country where which of the following arrangement is implemented? The correct answer is Panchayati Raj system. Who is supposed to establish the proposed export orientation industrial park in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Indian government. Where the Saharia forested tribe lives? The correct answer is Baran. Which one of the following tribe is leading the life of barbarian keeping itself bounded with the oath of Rana Pratap? The correct answer is Gadolia blacksmith. Where was the Chaurasi Khambo ki Chhatri is situated? The correct answer is Bundi. Which among the following dam is not situated at River Chambal? The correct answer is Marel Dam. Where the Gagran Fort is situated? The correct answer is Jalawar. On which river the Marel Dam is constructed? The correct answer is Marel River. Which is the hottest district of Rajasthan? The correct answer is Bikaner. In which of the following districts there is no river? The correct answer is Churu. From which district river Kantali is associated? The correct answer is Junjunu. In which district Edward Sagar tank is situated? The correct answer is Dungarpur. When the Ganga Canal was constructed? The correct answer is 1927. When was Indira Gandhi Canal started? The correct answer is the 31st of March 1958. In which district Bharthari Fair is celebrated? The correct answer is Alwar. Who was the second Chief Minister of Rajasthan? The correct answer is Jaya Narain Vyas. Who among the following compose Prithvi Raj Vijay? The correct answer is Jainik. Through whom Rajasthan Tribal Area Development Cooperative Association provide assistance? The correct answer is through LAMS. When Rajasthan Wool and Wool Cooperative Association was established? The correct answer is 1977. The work related with the Saharia Development Program in Rajasthan is performed by? The correct answer is Saharia Development Corporation. Lohavat, a prohibited hunting area, is in which of the districts? The correct answer is Jodhpur. Jakham River is the tributary of? The correct answer is Mahi. Haryanavi is the breed of which animal? The correct answer is cow. In which of the following district Malvi cotton is not grown? The correct answer is Sri Ganganagar. In Rajasthan, where is the biggest milk cold storage? The correct answer is Jaipur. Where is Vijay the victory tower built by Maharana Kumbha, located? The correct answer is Chittorgarh. Where is Hawa Mahal located? The correct answer is Jaipur. Which city in Rajasthan is called City of Lakes? The correct answer is Udaipur. Who wrote a book, Jaisalmer Rajya Ka Gunda Shasan? The correct answer is Sagarmal Gopa. In which district Bagor town is located? The correct answer is Bhilwara. What was the ancient names of Ramdeora? The correct answer is Runecha. The ancient name of Sanchor was? The correct answer is Salyapur. The Battle of Samel or Jataran was fought between Sher Shah and? The correct answer is Rao Maldeo. Which mineral has maximum reserves in Rajasthan? The correct answer is rock phosphate. In Rajasthan, Rawatbhata, the nuclear power-based electric plant, is in which of the following district? The correct answer is Chittorgarh. Which mineral is used for the production of cement? The correct answer is limestone. Which is the main center of salt production in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Sambhar. The editor of Tarun Rajasthan newspaper was. The correct answer is Shobha Lal Gupta. Founder of Ajivika sect was. The correct answer is Makhliputra Ghoshal. Name the school of painting that emphasized the importance to animal and bird. The correct answer is Alva Shelley. The first time production of cement was started in Rajasthan at. The correct answer is Lakheri in 1912. The Ghagar plain lies in which district of Rajasthan? The correct answer is Ganganagar. In Rajasthan, Kanak Sagar is situated at which river? The correct answer is Maze. When Integrated Rural Development Program was started? The correct answer is 1978-79. Which among the following is the ancient natural lake of Rajasthan? The correct answer is Pushkar. Which is the biggest sweet-water lake of Rajasthan? The correct answer is Jasamo. In Rajasthan, which physical division has the maximum area? The correct answer is West Desert. Sher Shah attacked Marwar in 1543 because he was annoyed with which of the following rulers? The correct answer is Maldeo. Who saved Maharaja Ajit Singh from Aurangzeb? The correct answer is Jagmal Durga Das Rathore. Champaran Treaty took place in between. The correct answer is Sultans of Malwa and Gujarat. The Battle of Hamada was fought in between. The correct answer is Chief of the Army Hazi Khan of King Sher Shah and Uday Singh. Where the headquarter of Rajasthan Secondary Board is situated? The correct answer is Ajmer. When the division of Kota state was done? The correct answer is 1838. When Akbar ruled over Chittor? The correct answer is the 24th of February 1568. In 1921, anti-pig movement was started by farmer in which of the following district? The correct answer is Alwar. During the Mauryan period, the capital of Madhya Pradesh, Avantipat, was Amangthe. The correct answer is Ujjain. Raj Shekhar, the great poet, was related to which dynasty? The correct answer is Pratihar dynasty. How many national parks are there in Rajasthan? The correct answer is 5. Where did the first revolutionary struggle Quit India movement take place at? The correct answer is Jodhpur. Who was the first revolutionary Bhil leader in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Kali Bai. When the Jaisalmer was established by Maharaval Jaisal? The correct answer is 1156. Who is the author of the book Patal and Pithal? The correct answer is Kanhaiya Lal Sethia. Who is the writer of Satsai, the musical volume? The correct answer is Bihari. Near which among the following cities of Rajasthan Tropic of Cancer passes? The correct answer is Banswara. In which part of body, baller, ornament is worn? The correct answer is at head. Every year on the occasion of full moon day of Magh month, the Maru festival is arranged at. The correct answer is Jaisalmer. What the houses of Bhil tribes are called? The correct answer is Ku. Where the poultry farming training system is? The correct answer is Ajmer. Where the poultry farming training institute is? The correct answer is Ajmer. The article that earns maximum foreign exchange from export is. The correct answer is jewels and ornaments. Where the Central Camel Fertility Center is? The correct answer is Bikaner. Chieftain of Saharia tribe is known as. The correct answer is Kotwal. In Rajasthan, Timaria, ornament is worn in which part of body? The correct answer is neck. Where the Neelkant Mahadev temple is? The correct answer is Kota. At the time of first struggle of freedom, the revolt was also in Erinpura. Erinpura is in. The correct answer is Siroi. The teacher of Swami Dayanand Saraswati was. The correct answer is Swami Girjanand. Audek Durg, Kokila Fort is among which of the following? The correct answer is Gagror. Which among the following was the Dhey Ma of Uday Singh? The correct answer is Panadhe. Who amongst the following freedom fighters was burnt alive in jail? The correct answer is Pratap Singh Bahat. Who amongst the following was appointed as the president of Mewar Praja Mandal? The correct answer is Balwant Singh Mehta. When Bharmal was made ruler of Amer? The correct answer is 1547. Who got Nathdwara temple constructed? The correct answer is Raj Singh. Where Dalal Singh was made the ruler of Bundi? The correct answer is Jalawar. In 1837, which new state was formed after the separation from Kota? The correct answer is Jalawar. Where the headquarter of Rajasthan Cooperative Consumer Store is situated in the state? The correct answer is Jaipur. Headquarter of the Tribal Regional Development Cooperative Society is? The correct answer is Udaipur. Which article is exported maximum among the handicrafts? The correct answer is diamond, gems and ornaments. By which Rajput emperor of Bikaner estate the Ganga Canal was constructed in 1927? The correct answer is Sri Ganga Singh. The main aim of Baijalpur project is? The correct answer is to provide drinking water in 6 cities. In which city of Rajasthan, first vegetable ghee factory was started? The correct answer is Jaipur. In the beginning, by which name Sri Ganga Nagar sugar mill was known? The correct answer is Bikaner Industrial Corporation Limited. When at Bhilwara the first vegetable ghee factory was established? The correct answer is 1964. Who is the founder of Jasnathi sect? The correct answer is Jasnath. Where was the main center of Agricultural Distribution Board and Directorate, established in 1980? The correct answer is Jaipur. In which year in Rajasthan higher quality seed system for agricultural production was implemented? The correct answer is 1966. What type of cultivation is done by tribal people in southeastern hilly areas of state, especially Dungarpur, Banswara and Udaipur? The correct answer is Walav. Which company does copper mining? The correct answer is Hindustan Copper Limited. Which is known the fertilizer mineral? The correct answer is gypsum. In Rajasthan maximum reserves of zinc and lead is found at? The correct answer is Zabar. Which element is maximum in brown sandy soil? The correct answer is phosphate. Normally from mixed red and black soil which crop is grown? The correct answer is cotton and maize. Which hills are included among the Aravalli ranges? The correct answer is Shekhawati Low Hills and Marwar Hills. Which top was assigned as a Saint Tops by Col. James Todd? The correct answer is Guru Shikhar. Beside Abu section, highest land area of Aravalli from Kumbhalgarh to Gogana in the northwest of Udaipur is known. The correct answer is Bharat Plateau. In Aravalli range, northeast of Ajmer, which two Girvalis are found. The correct answer is near Sambhar Lake in between Ajmer and Biawar. Which Rajputana poet was among the 9 gems of Akbar's court? The correct answer is Abul Fazl. Where the battle between Rana Hamir and Alauddin was fought? The correct answer is Ranthambore. In which museum the specimen collection of Indus Valley civilization to Gupta dynasty is available? The correct answer is Bikaner Museum. Who is responsible for the arrival of Marathas in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Rao Budsinga Bundi. Which historical place is in Savai Madhopur district? The correct answer is Ranthambore. Which is the main language of Rajasthan? The correct answer is Marwari. Which is the only aboriginal tribe known in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Saharia. In Rajasthan, where the brass flower leaf as well as natural features digging and engraving is done. The correct answer is Jaipur and Alwar. When Rajasthan Handloom Development Corporation was established? The correct answer is 1984. What is the number of lift canals in Indira Gandhi Canal project? The correct answer is 6. Where the Sahiba lift irrigation project is situated? The correct answer is Hanumangad and Churu. In how many districts of the State Ravine Development Program has been included? The correct answer is 05. What is the main function of Rajasthan Finance Corporation? The correct answer is all the above. The origin place of river Banganga is? The correct answer is Bharat Hills. River which flows in Ajmer district is? The correct answer is Banas. Where is the headquarter of Rajasthan Tourism Development Corporation? The correct answer is Jaipur. Who was the second governor of Rajasthan? The correct answer is Dr. Sampurnanand. Who was the first DGP of Rajasthan? The correct answer is R. Banerjee. First chairman and deputy chairman of Rajasthan Vidhan Sabha. The correct answer is Narottam Joshi and Lal Singh Shekhawat. Which of the following mineral is 100% produced in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Jaspar. Where the musk melon is maximum grown? The correct answer is Tonk. River related with Pachana project is? The correct answer is Sukari. Where the Rajasthan State Salt Undertaking is situated? The correct answer is Didwana. When the formal education program was launched? The correct answer is 1975. The headquarters of Rajasthan Sahitya Academy is? The correct answer is Udaipur. River that flows in Jaisalmer district is? The correct answer is Kakari. In which district the temple of Keladevi is? The correct answer is Karoli. Who was the Mauryan ruler to encourage Jain religion in the state? The correct answer is Samprati. Which district is benefited by Som Kamla Amba project? The correct answer is Dungarpur. In Rajasthan, alluvial soil is found in eastern districts. In which of the following districts alluvial soil is found? The correct answer is Dholpur. In which district of the state Dhamman-Durg Skulpart Fort is situated? The correct answer is Jaisalmer. Hashnath Temple, constructed by Chauhan rulers, is situated in? The correct answer is Sikar. Important function of RIACO is? The correct answer is all the above. Where the inland container depot is working in the state? The correct answer is Jaipur, Jodhpur, Kota, Udaipur. Maximum units of matchbox manufacturing are in which group of following districts? The correct answer is Alwar, Nasirabad, Ajmer. What is the length of Rajasthan feeder canal constructed in the first step of Indira Gandhi project? The correct answer is 204 km. Mangalam cement is at? The correct answer is Modak. First profounder of Jaipur Gharana is? The correct answer is Bhanuji. Which city is known as a city of Wales? The correct answer is Udaipur. Which ruler not only refused to marry Hansabai, but also sacrificed his throne of Mewar in favor of her son Mokam? The correct answer is Rao Chura. Main food of Damor tribe is? The correct answer is rice or maize. Main occupation of Damor tribe is? The correct answer is hunting. What type of art is performed by Kanjar tribe in other places? The correct answer is folk dance. Which Rajput ruler is known as the founder of architect? The correct answer is Rana Kumbha. Paramhansi Mandali is related to which sect? The correct answer is Jasnati sect. Other name of Sangari system is? The correct answer is bonded labor system. In the state where the Vishnoi sect people are found in maximum number? The correct answer is Jodhpur Bikaner. Leela Maurya ritual among the Adivasi is related to? The correct answer is marriage. Who wrote book Sundar Bilas? The correct answer is Sant Sundardas Ji. In Rajasthan, where Dadu Dayal had more devotees. The correct answer is Kardala, Sambhar, Amer. Which tribe has given the credit of Dingal poetry in Veer Ras? The correct answer is Charan Bhat. What is Paura in Rajasthani literature? The correct answer is a composition describing the special work of braves. When pastoralism along with cultivation is practiced, this type of cultivation is known as. The correct answer is mixed farming. Which is the important district of the state from point of view of crop production? The correct answer is Sri Ganganagar. Which one among the following dam was first constructed at Chambal project? The correct answer is Gandhi Sagar. From which river confluence Indira Gandhi Canal has been constructed? The correct answer is B. Satluj. Which language has its effect on border area of Dholpur and Bharatpur? The correct answer is Bridge language. Which among the following dialects, Ragri dialects, is the mixture? The correct answer is Marwari and Malvi. Literary form of Marwari is. The correct answer is Dingal. In Rajasthan, which fair is known as Lakhi Fair? The correct answer is Kula Devi. Rajasthan Prachya Vidya Pratishthan is situated. The correct answer is Jodhpur. Which book is not in Rajasthani language? The correct answer is Kubalimala. Which among the following epic has been written by poet Nayan Suri? The correct answer is Shishupal Vad. Which among the following poet is not related with Bhakti composition? The correct answer is Keshri Singh Bahat. Who is the author of Jaswant Jaso Bhushan, the biggest Alankar volume of Hindi? The correct answer is Murari Dan. In ancient time, which river used to flow in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Saraswati. Fai Yehan, the Chinese traveler, visited which city of state? The correct answer is Binmal. Baijalpur Dam has been constructed in. The correct answer is Tonk. In Rajasthan, there are 3 sugar mills, one Bhopal Sagar Nagar, second in Ganga Nagar, where the third sugar mill is. The correct answer is Keshorai Patan. In which among the following district Gandheli Sahaba lift project provides water for drinking? The correct answer is Churu. In Rajasthan, Ganeshji fair is arranged at. The correct answer is Savai Madhopur. To which god, Dhosi Pahar, is a famous place? The correct answer is Mansa Devi. River which flows towards Ganga Yamuna Doab is. The correct answer is Chambal. River related to Nagaur district is. The correct answer is Harso. Jarga mountain lies in. The correct answer is Udaipur. Sumerpur city is situated at which river's bank? The correct answer is Jivai. Where the Jan Vishwa Bharati University is situated? The correct answer is Landnu. Where the headquarter of Literacy and Sustainable Education Directorate is situated? The correct answer is Jaipur. Indira Gandhi Canal Project is. The correct answer is an important project of Rajasthan for irrigation, drinking water and electricity. What is the meaning of dung area? The correct answer is dacoit affected area. The object of national water harvesting development is. The correct answer is to develop dry area. On the basis of recommendation of which commission, desert development has been started? The correct answer is National Agriculture Commission. Vilas irrigation project is related with. The correct answer is Baran. To which district's Jakham project provides irrigation facilities? The correct answer is Udaipur and Chittorgarh. The object of the command area development is. The correct answer is to fill the gap between potentiality and utility of irrigation capacity. Mezar Dam has been constructed on. The correct answer is Kothari River. Which institution in the state has played a praiseworthy role to make famous, extensive and distributory handicraft industry in the state? The correct answer is RAJCECCO. Which of the following district is well known for isabgol, jeera and tomato production? The correct answer is Jalore. Ghana Bird Sanctuary is situated in. The correct answer is Bharatpur. Which among the following institutions provided facility of retainance to cooperative banks? The correct answer is NABARD. When Rajasthan Forest Act was passed? The correct answer is 1953. Which Mauryan ruler established the Chittorgarh? The correct answer is Chitrangad. To which religious sect the Budli Stup is related? The correct answer is Jain. The maximum part of Rajasthan was in the region of which ruler of Vardhan dynasty who ruled till 663 AD? The correct answer is Mahasen Gupta. To which ancient name Bharatpur, Karoli and Dholpur region is known? The correct answer is Sarsin. Who was the founder of Chauhan dynasty? The correct answer is Basudev. Basudeo, the main ruler of Chauhan, Chanman dynasty, strengthened which state during the 551 AD? The correct answer is Sambhar. Who is known to be the founder of Galot dynasty and Sisodia dynasty? The correct answer is Paman. Which Rajput dynasty had supremacy in Rajasthan from 8th to 10th century? The correct answer is Pratihar dynasty. Founder of Kachwar dynasty was? The correct answer is Dulharai. Which ruler made Ajmer its capital? The correct answer is Kokildev. Who was the first ruler of Rathore dynasty? The correct answer is Rao Jodha. Which queen of Rajasthan is related with Raksha Bandhan festival? The correct answer is Rani Karamvati. In Ajmer, what was in place of Adhai Din Ka Jopra? The correct answer is a Sanskrit university established by Chauhan rulers. Battle of Khatoli was fought among? The correct answer is Ibrahim Lodi and Rana Sanga. Where the first Praja Mandal division of the state was formed? The correct answer is Jodhpur. When the Marwar Public Council was formed? The correct answer is 1938. When the Bikaner Act was passed? The correct answer is 1947. What is the shape of Rajasthan? The correct answer is irregular rectangular. Maximum part of Rajasthan is? The correct answer is deserted. Minimum part of Rajasthan is? The correct answer is plateau region. In northwest and southeastern part, Rajasthan is divided by? The correct answer is Aravalli Ranges. In which of the following divisions the maximum rivers of Rajasthan are? The correct answer is Kota division. Which division of Rajasthan is famous as a Marudhar? The correct answer is Jodhpur division. Which among the following dams is situated at 2.5 km away from Erinpura railway station in Pali district? The correct answer is Javai Dam. Which districts are benefited by irrigation through Javai Dam project? The correct answer is Pali Sirui. Which districts of Rajasthan are benefited by irrigation through Orai project? The correct answer is Chittorgarh and Bhilwara. In which district Vanasthali Vidyapith is situated? The correct answer is Tonk. In which district Jatsar Mechanical Agriculture Farm is situated? The correct answer is Sri Ganganagar. In which district Gareshwar civilization is found? The correct answer is Sikar. Where Sri Parshurampuriya Ayurvedic College is situated? The correct answer is Sikar. To which dynasty Gularai was related? The correct answer is Kachwa. Regime of Rana Sanga was? The correct answer is 1509 to 1928. Mand is the ancient name of? The correct answer is Jaisalmer. When Maharana Kumbha was made the ruler of Mewar? The correct answer is 1433. When the military mutiny took place at Nasirabad? The correct answer is the 28th of May 1857. Where the Nilkant Mahadev temple is? The correct answer is Alwar. Which city of Rajasthan is known as Sun City? The correct answer is Jodhpur. Which is known to be glory of Rajasthan? The correct answer is Chittorgarh. As is the conveyance of which goddess? The correct answer is Sheetla Mata. Which crop of India is maximum produced in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Bajra. In which district of Rajasthan maximum spices are produced? The correct answer is Kota. In Rajasthan, where the headquarters of State Seed Corporation is? The correct answer is Jaipur. Where the headquarters of Rajasthan State Tungsten Corporation is? The correct answer is Jaipur. Cow breed found in Sri Ganganagar, Bikaner and Jaisalmer is? The correct answer is Rathi. Which breed of sheep is found in maximum quantity in Shekhawati area? The correct answer is Chokla. Maximum Sonali breed of sheep is found in which of the following region? The correct answer is Tonk Bundi Kota Jalawar. In which district government of Rajasthan arranges maximum number of fairs? The correct answer is Nagaur. From the literacy point of view, which of the following district has maximum literate persons? The correct answer is Jalore. From which among the following projects Rajasthan gets maximum electricity? The correct answer is Bias. From where the maximum thermal power is received in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Kota Thermal. Which among the following districts is not among the Bhil's population? The correct answer is Jodhpur. Which among the Rajasthan estate is worshipper of Iklingji? The correct answer is Mewar. The teacher of Hazrat Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti was. The correct answer is Sheikh Usman Haruni Chishti. Dance of Rajasthan which is most recognized in India is. The correct answer is Ghumar. Famous dance of India emerged from Rajasthan is. The correct answer is Kathak. At the time of Holi, which of the following dance is played by Bheels? The correct answer is Gair. In which period the Jain temple of Dilwara were constructed? The correct answer is Parmar period. Name the fort where a pillar is being erected to commemorate the detention of freedom fighters during the period of her states. The correct answer is Machia Fort. The abandoned capital of Maharana Pratap was. The correct answer is Chawand. From which place copper image of bull, rabbit and birds have been traced? The correct answer is Lothal. Bagor Haveli, cultural transformation of historical building is to be renovated as a cultural center. At which place the said Haveli is situated? The correct answer is Udaipur. During the rule of which Maharaja, Prince Albert laid the foundation stone of Jaipur Archives, which was named Albert Museum after his name? The correct answer is Maharaja Ram Singh. The old name of Nahargarh is. The correct answer is Sudarshangarh. Where did the Jaipur state ruler, Savai Jayasingh, establish the first astronomical observatory? The correct answer is Delhi. Which area of the Rajasthan state was known as Marukanta in the Ramayana? The correct answer is Western Rajasthan. The boundaries of which Mahajanpad touched the boundaries of Rajasthan during 6th century BC? The correct answer is Avanti. Who is writer of Sangeet Raj? The correct answer is Maharana Kumbha. Name the Britisher who was killed in 1857 in Kota. The correct answer is all of these. During 1857 mutiny, who was the king of Mewar? The correct answer is Maharana Swaroop Singh. Who was the political agent in Mewar during mutiny? The correct answer is George Patrick Lawrence. Name the palace where the head office of Bhil Corp of Mewar was situated. The correct answer is Khinwanda. Name the king of Dholpur who provided all sort of help to Britishers during mutiny. The correct answer is Bhagwat Singh. Because of betrayal by Jagirdar Mansingh of Marwar, a rebel leader was captured by the British forces. Name him. The correct answer is Tantia Tope. Name the title or award by Britishers to honor Indian kings for their help. The correct answer is Star of India. Who was the first viceroy who visited Bundi? The correct answer is Lord Curzon. Jodhpur-Bikaner railway line was constructed in. The correct answer is 1889. When was the Raj Seva Sangh established? The correct answer is 1920. Rajasthan Seva Sangh office of Wardha was shifted to. The correct answer is Ajmer. What was Kharla Kar? The correct answer is a kind of tax. Who was the founder of Rajasthan Seva Sangh? The correct answer is Vijay Singh Pathik. Who amongst the following freedom fighters founded the first secret militant organization in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Gopal Singh Kharwa. Who was the founder of Sabhya Sabha in Sirui district? The correct answer is Swami Govind Giri. The famous brave Tantia Tope entered Rajasthan in the year. The correct answer is June 1858. In which area of Rajasthan yellow building stone is found? The correct answer is Jaisalmer. At which river the Mahi Bajaj Dam has been constructed? The correct answer is Mahi River. In which district of Rajasthan the irrigation is done by Gurgaon Canal? The correct answer is Bharatpur. In which among the following dams at the back of which dam biggest lake is? The correct answer is Kanak Sagar. At which river Pando Dam has been constructed? The correct answer is Vyas. In which of the following district quotize is produced in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Ajmer. In the victory of Battle of Gagran, 1519, which Sultan was arrested and brought to Chittorgarh by Rana Sanga? The correct answer is Mahmud Khilji II. What type of oxes are used to carry maximum luggage in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Nago. In which district of Rajasthan the maximum number of animal fair is arranged? The correct answer is Nagaur. In which of the following district of Rajasthan maize is the main cereal? The correct answer is Banswara. Which among the following cereals is produced maximum in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Bajra. Bichama, Udaipur, is the source of origin of which river? The correct answer is Som. At the bank of which river Hanumangad is situated? The correct answer is Ghaggar. When was the Rajasthan Cultivators Act passed? The correct answer is 1955. Which soil is suitable for maize cultivation? The correct answer is domat soil. Sherga Wildlife Sanctuary is in which district? The correct answer is Baran. Surti is the breed of which animal? The correct answer is buffalo. Nahargarh Sanctuary is situated in which district? The correct answer is Jaipur. Which ruler's daughter married to Emperor Akbar? The correct answer is Bharmal. When Rajasthan Cooperative Dairy was established? The correct answer is 1973. Where the first dairy plant was established in the state? The correct answer is Ajmer. Where the Shree cement is produced? The correct answer is Biawar. After independence, which was the first established cement factory? The correct answer is Jaipur Industry Limited, Savai Madhopur. Where is the Rajasthan textile mill located? The correct answer is Bhavani Mandi. Which of the following newspaper was published by Haribhau Upadhyay? The correct answer is Odumbar. Who amongst the following person retained the title of Rai Bahadur? The correct answer is Arjun Lal Sethi. In 1912, a bomb was thrown at Lord Hardinge by. The correct answer is Ras Bihari Bose. Where was the battle in between King Rana Hamir and Allah Uddin fought at? The correct answer is Ranthambore. Which of the following museums has the collections of Indus Valley civilization to Gupta dynasty? The correct answer is Bikaner Museum. Hold picture in which Deepak is lit is the characteristics of which dance? The correct answer is Ghurla. In which of the following national parks of Rajasthan, the birds are protected? The correct answer is Ghanakula Dev. From which national park, sanctuary, of Rajasthan, Indira Gandhi Canal passes? The correct answer is Rashtriya Maru Udyan. From which river Bharatpur Canal has been constructed? The correct answer is Yamuna. At which season barley is produced in the state? The correct answer is Rabi season. Which among the following is an hindrance in the development of agriculture? The correct answer is paucity of water resources. Who was the founder of Bhavai drama in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Bhogaji. In deserted area of western Rajasthan, Rabi crop is grown in those areas where the means of water harvesting are. The correct answer is Khadeen. Which is the longest river, flowing only in Rajasthan? The correct answer is Banas. In which area of the state Braj language is spoken? The correct answer is Bharatpur. The literary form of Marwari language is. The correct answer is Dingal. In which village Bareshwar fair is arranged? The correct answer is Navrapura. Language spoken in Udaipur, Bhilwara and Chittorgarh is. The correct answer is Mewari. Which among the following power station is based on natural gas? The correct answer is Anta. What is Maruvani? The correct answer is a monthly magazine of Rajasthani language. Harothi is spoken in Kota, Bundi and Jalawar, then Mewati language is spoken in which of the following areas? The correct answer is Alwar, Bharatpur, Dholpur, Karoli. Tilwa Pujan is done in Rajasthan. The correct answer is few days after the birth of a child. What is the sign of Suhag ornament for women of Rajasthan? The correct answer is ivory and lachura, group of bangles. Which mine provide copper for Khetri copper refinery plant? The correct answer is Inadan Kudan.